hope they ready.
I hope they're ready for some bangers.
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 You have to what?
Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications.
That's all right. Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. It is vlog number 3, and guess where we are going? We are on our way to Target. Hi gorgeous, we are on our way to Target.
Hi.
Yes, we are going to Target to look at the home decor, and my man wants to go to Target, so that's where we're getting ready to go. All right, let's go. Get in the car.
Okay. Unlock the door. How you gonna tell me to get out the car with the door?
All right, it's hot.
Super hot.
Yes, boo, it is hot, super hot. All right, let's get a thumbnail.
Hike it. I gotta fix my hair. I gotta fix my hair.
You gotta fix your hair. Smile.
There he goes. What does this say?
Because every year a fall pumpkin, bonfires, more autumn leaves, apples, and you.
Ooh.
So here are the signs that are $5.
This one $5 too.
Yep.
So basically, this whole section is $5.
Yep.
Oh, let's get this pillow.
No. Good vibes.
Let's get this pillow.
Little stuff. $3. This is $3. These down here. These baby ones, $1.
Little decoration.
Yep. Okay. Hold on. Oh, these are cute. They're $3. Got these. These right here. I don't know what that is. $5. Oh, that's
Let's get that, Mommy, please.
$3.
Yep, it's $3. You can get it. You light it up.
These here, 3. Welcome. Guess little arts and crafts, $3.
These little
You got your
paint.
paint
Yeah.
and stuff for $1. You can
$1.50.
paint up.
Oh,
Oh, here goes some more Halloween stuff right here.
this glass.
Sand.
No, this Play-Doh.
Oh. There you go.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
I wanted to be a witch last year, but Mommy didn't let me be a witch.
Socks. I put a spell on you
Let's get these, please.
for $1.
Oh, let's get these.
Okay. Which ones you want for?
I want these.
Which ones for Tanaja?
This.
All right. And I am going to get these little socks. Black and white. I think that's it.
Ooh.
Party rainbow. So what kind of frosting?
We need orange frosting.
They don't have orange.
Well, let's
Nobody has orange.
just black frosting or something. Like purple.
There's blue.
We can try that.
You want blue?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, guys. So I am back home from Target. What? Okay, so basically, Target did not have a lot of Halloween home decor, and plus I was with my husband and I can't really look around like I really want to, so because you know how men are. So of course you guys already seen that we got these socks here. So I got one for London, same for myself, and then one for Tanaja. So we're going to be wearing these socks maybe in another video. I'm not going to tell exactly what kind of video we're going to do. Then of course London had to pick up some gummy bears, and I love gummy bears. I really do. I love them. I love them. Then we got some cake mix. So we got the party rainbow chip cake mix. I couldn't find any orange icing, so we got blue. I could have sworn I had went to Walmart, but I guess I did not go to Walmart. So, boom. Yeah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and end this video for our home decor. No, sorry, not even home decor. For our Target home decor. I'm sorry, Target Halloween decor video. So we will end it.
Why are we ending it now?
Okay. That was a Target shopping. It wasn't the other video. Don't say it because I don't want them to know yet.
Oh, okay.
Hey, alrighty then. So see you tomorrow, and bye, gorgeous.
Bye, gorgeous.
Bye bye.
Subscribe, please. Thank you. That's what you gotta do. Don't be hard headed with that subscribe button bell.
All right, bye.